Hello, this is the English we speak. With me, Fei Fei.
And hello, it's me, Rob.
Rob, what are you doing?
Oh, just preparing some biscuits for my new business.
Are you planning to sell biscuits?
Well, not any old biscuits, Fei. Rob's amazing crunch and crumble biscuits. This is my new career.
You're going to need some help if you want to launch a new biscuit business.
Yeah, you're right. Maybe you could help me put them in boxes.
No, Rob, you need more help than that. You need crowdsourcing.
Oh, right. Is that some kind of magic ingredient to put in the biscuits?
No, crowdsourcing is when you ask groups of people for their ideas and opinions to help you develop your business idea. Note that crowdfunding is just when large numbers of people donate small amounts of money to help someone start a business. These days, it's a useful way to help you develop your business. Here are some more examples of crowdsourcing.
I'm launching a crowdsourcing project to gather creative ideas for my new fitness website. We're going to crowdsource to try and raise enough money so our idea of a treehouse cafe can become a reality. I found crowdsourcing a great way to generate honest opinion about the best way to start my vegan restaurant business.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about crowdsourcing, which is when you ask groups of people for their ideas and opinions to help you develop your business idea.
So, Fei, where do I find people to ask for help?
You can ask members of the public via the internet and on social media. Even ask your friends and family. The more advice you can get, the better.
Ah, right. Well, in that case, I'm going to message my mum to see if she can help me bake a few more biscuits.
Rob, crowdsourcing involves more than just your mum. You need to speak to lots of people.
Oh, crumbs. Maybe I'll stick with this presenting job for a little bit longer. Do you fancy a biscuit?
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.